Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty. Now these two colors right here are part of the MadKin Beauty Black Friday sale. These are the two freebies and you do not want to miss them. So I thought we would create a mani today with some really fun freebie colors from MadKin Beauty. Plus we're going to add some little snowflakes to it that these are like the perfect little stickers that MadKin Beauty has to offer. But I will let you know right now, the names changed. I filmed this a while ago and the names changed and I really like the new names. So the color that we're dipping into right now, on my screen it shows that it's sugar, but it actually is Marshmallow Fluff. And to be honest with you, I love that name so much better. I think it's super fitting for this beautiful color here. And if you look closely, those glitter pieces are actually tiny little squares. And I just think it's so unique yet so beautiful. And when you are layering these like with one dip right now, but when you go in with another dip and start layering them, it's going to give you this really awesome dimension. Plus these glitter pieces are cut very fine, so they are laying very flat with the gel method. I love it so much. So we're going to cure for 30 seconds and we're going to dust off, and then we're going to go in with another coat. Now when we go in with that second coat, that's really when you're going to see this beautiful color come to life, because we're going to be layering these really unique glitter pieces. So a couple helpful tips when you are using the gel method with dip powders: make sure that you are doing very thin layers. That's going to help give you a really clean application, which is going to cut down on bulk, and then you're going to have less filing and buffing. But how gorgeous is that? With the second dip here, it is everything, and I'm just going to gently press everything down here so everything is laying super flat before we cure it, because once we cure it, it is going to be cured and it is ready to go. So I'm just making sure I'm cleaning up the sidewalls here, just removing any of those square glitters that are near the cuticle line or the free edge, and then we're good to go to cure. So here's what it looks like with two dips versus one. You can see that second dip is just everything. So I did the rest of the dips off camera for the Marshmallow Fluff. We're dusting off, and then we're going into this color right here, which it says spice, but it is called Hot Cocoa Bomb. And I think that is such a fun name. It is definitely giving me all those warm chocolatey vibes. Plus it has a really pretty red glitter in here with a little bit of shimmer. So I feel like this is like an epic holiday brown. If you're into like a gingerbread cookie kind of mani, this one would be perfect. It's like the perfect amount of darkness and just richness, and it doesn't have an orange flashback to it or anything like that. It's overall a really pretty brown, and I really like how that red just shines through and pops. It's like a different kind of glitter that you would think pairing with a brown, but it's definitely perfect and it's working for this color right here. You can tell with that first coat that we're getting amazing coverage as well. I'm just going to gently press everything down, and we're going to go ahead and cure for a full 30 seconds and dust off. If you are working with darker colors, keep in mind, just make sure you are doing very thin coats. If you notice that it is not fully cured yet, just go ahead and stick it in your lamp again. But I can get away with dark colors and curing with the gel method for 30 seconds. If you are looking for any nail lamps or anything like that when you are doing the gel method, I do have a few listed below. It's also Black Friday, so those are going to be on sale as well. But I just love this rich chocolatey brown, and it has like the most beautiful shimmer to it, and you can see it's just richer in color with that second coat. So you're probably curious on how I apply my press-ons. So what I do is, if I'm wanting like a longer wear, I'll actually use my dip base as nail glue. So I'll apply a little bit to the nail and a little bit to my natural nail, and then I'll go ahead and put it on my nail and press down for 30 seconds. And that is how I put my nails on. If you want more like a temporary, like a one-day wear, then I use these little sticky tabs. But overall, press-ons are a really fun way to incorporate different colors or special manis for special events into your life, and it's just overall really fun to do as well. Okay, so filing and buffing, I am just cleaning up the sidewalls, the free edge, and reshaping just a little bit, since we did use very thin layers of gel base and we made sure everything was flat before curing. Everything is laying very flat where I do not need to actually buff on the top of that nail, which I love so much, because to be honest with you, Filing is like the least favorite for me when it comes to a mani. I don't know about you. Let me know what process in the mani is your least favorite. Mine is definitely filing. So I did the rest of the filing, and now we're gonna go ahead and seal everything in now with another layer of gel base, and I am gonna cure as I go. Make sure you are capping that free edge as well. But this right here, we're just gonna seal everything in, and it's also gonna give us a really awesome tacky layer because this is a gel base. After we cure it, it's going to give us this tacky layer because we're going to add some of those really fun snowflakes from MadKin Beauty, and it's just going to help those stickers lay really flat. All right, so the stickers that we're using today are these really pretty gold stickers, and I want to focus on these beautiful snowflakes. They're very elegant. They're really just overall just the perfect little touch that we wanted here, and I really like how the gold looks on the white and on the brown. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking these little tweezers, which are, by the way, the best because they have like this little pointy tip, so you can get right under that sticker without ripping it, and then it just lays really nice to that nail. Otherwise, if you are trying to pull off these stickers with your hand, it is kind of like a battle. So that little tweezer right there with the tip is definitely helpful when it comes to applying nail stickers, and I will link that guy in the description box below as well. So now that we have all the stickers almost on this nail here, I am struggling with that one. I'm going to take this silicone tool and really press everything down. So you could totally just plop on those stickers and put a top coat over it, but if you ever notice, you're still going to have like almost like a cloudy outline. Now, using that silicone tool is going to remove that cloudy outline, so then that sticker actually becomes one to the nail, and no one's going to notice that that is a sticker. So I did the rest of the stickers off camera, and to be honest with you, I really love how this turned out. I really like the difference with that beautiful white that we're applying the top coat to right now, and I did the rest of the top coat off camera and cured for 60 seconds. I really like this combination. It's something that I normally wouldn't pair together, but yet it's so beautiful on its own, and it has like almost kind of like a elegant, fancier side of things because we have like this beautiful pop of gold mixed in with these colors. It just screams holiday season, and I really wanted to showcase these colors for you because it is a really awesome freebie that MadKin Beauty has to offer. Not only are there freebies, but there's sales as well. I'll link those sale flyers at the end of this video so you get all the deets on the awesome sale for MadKin Beauty for Black Friday. But overall, so fun. So I will link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you are having a great Thanksgiving with your family, and you're probably all full and ready for all those Black Friday sales. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.